Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to optimize Windows 10 for gaming. If you're using a Windows 10 gaming PC, you might not be getting the best performance out of your system. Why? Because your operating system likely isn't optimized. The best part? These steps are quick, safe, and require no additional downloads. Stick around till the end, and let's get your PC running like a pro. Temporary files can clutter your system and slow down performance. Let's clean them up. Press the Windows key +R to open the Run dialog box. Type temp, and after writing it, press Enter. Once the folder opens, press Ctrl-A to select all files and hit Delete. Don't worry if some files can't be deleted, that's normal. Close this folder. Then click on Windows +R, then type %temp and %. Then hit Enter. Once the folder is opened, click on Ctrl+A, then click on Delete. Then close this folder. Then click on Windows +R. Then type prefetch here. Then click on Ctrl+A. Then click on Delete. Then close this folder. Power settings are crucial for gaming. Go to your Start menu and open Settings. Then navigate to System section. Then click on Power and Sleep. Click on Additional Power Settings. From here, select the High Performance plan. If you prefer balanced power usage, you can stick with the default, but for gaming, high performance ensures optimal resources for your games. Then click on Choose What's Power button do. Then click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Then untick Fast Startup. Then go to Power Options tab. Further customization, go into Change Plan Settings. Then click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Then click on PCI Express. Turn off PCI Express Link State Power Management. And set Processor Power Management to 100% for both minimum and maximum states. Then click on Apply and then OK. Then close this app. Then go to Settings app. Then click on Storage section. Then check the first option. Then click on Configure button. Then set Run Storage Space to every week. Then go back. Then click on Remote Desktop section on the left. Then you have to make sure that it is disabled. Then go back one step. Then click on About section on the bottom left. Then click on Advanced System Settings. Then under Performance section, click on Settings. You will see that it is set to adjust for best appearance by default, but you should set it to best performance. But you can check these four options. The first one is Enable Peak. The second one is Show Thumbnails instead of icons. The third one is Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts. And the last one is Show Windows Contents while dragging. They don't affect the performance in your PC. Click on Apply, then click on OK. Then click on Settings again. Then click on Advanced section on the top. Then set the best performance for the programs. Then it will give the best performance to programs. Then click on Apply and then OK. Then in Settings, go to the main settings page. Then click on Devices section. Then you have to click on Mouse section on the left. Then click on Additional Mouse Options. Once it is opened, click on Pointer Options. From here, you can change pointer speed. You should disable Enhance Pointer Precision. What this do is it prevents your mouse from acceleration. Then click on Apply and then OK. Then go back to the main settings page. Then click on Personalization section. Then click on Colors section. Then swipe down and you will see transparency effects. Uncheck them. Then go back to the main settings page. Then click on Apps section. Once you are in, click on the left Startup section. I will recommend you unchecking any non-essential app that you don't want to turn on when you turn on your PC or laptop. Then go back to the main settings page. Then click on the Gaming section. Then make sure that Game Bar is turned off. It uses a lot of power, so make sure to turn it off. Windows has built-in features specifically for gaming. Click on Game Mode section. Ensure that Game Mode is turned on. It optimizes your system for gaming automatically. Also, go to Graphics settings on the right side and enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling if your hardware supports it. This can significantly reduce latency and enhance performance. Now go back to the main settings page, then click on Privacy section. You should make sure that all the privacy options are disabled. These settings are unnecessary. This will increase your gaming experience. Then click on Background Apps section on the left side. It will show you all the apps that are running in the background. These are so unnecessary. Make sure to turn it off. If you want to enable any app, you enable it. Lastly, ensure your Windows is up to date. Go to Setting Main page. Then click on Update and Security and check for updates. While updates can sometimes be a personal preference, they often fix bugs and improve overall stability. That's how you optimize Windows 10 for gaming. These optimizations should give your gaming PC a significant performance boost without requiring any downloads or risky changes. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips to keep your gaming system running at its best. Thanks for watching.